Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's episode, we'll be talking about one of the most crucial aspects of web development, website speed and performance. As a beginner web developer, it can be overwhelming to ensure your website loads quickly and efficiently. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and tricks that will help you optimize your website speed and performance. Tip number 1. Use a content delivery network. A content delivery network, or CDN, is a distributed network of servers that can help speed up the delivery of your website's content to users across the globe by storing copies of your website's content on servers closer to your visitors. A CDN can significantly reduce page load times and improve website performance. Tip number 2. Compress your images and files. One of the most common reasons why websites load slowly is due to large image and file sizes. To improve your website speed, you should compress your images and files using tools such as Adobe Photoshop, TinyPNG, or gzip. By compressing your images and files, you can reduce their size without sacrificing their quality. Tip number 3. Minimize HTTP requests. HTTP requests refer to the number of times a user's browser has to request a file from your server in order to load your website. The more HTTP requests your website has, the longer it will take to load. To minimize HTTP requests, you should combine multiple files into one, reduce the number of images and videos, and use CSS Sprite. Tip number 4. Optimize your CSS and JavaScript files. CSS and JavaScript files can also slow down your website's load time if they are not optimized. To optimize your CSS and JavaScript files, you can use tools such as Minify or YUI Compressor. These tools can remove unnecessary white spaces and comments and combine multiple files into one, resulting in faster load time. Tip number 5. Use browser caching. Browser caching is a technique that allows your website's visitors to store a copy of your website's files on their local device, so they don't have to re-download them every time they visit your website. By using browser caching, you can significantly reduce page loading times and improve website performance. And there you have it, folks. 5 practical tips for optimizing your website speed and performance. By using these tips, you can ensure your website loads quickly and efficiently, providing your visitors with a seamless user experience. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.